Hair. This is dirty hair. Need shampooing. This is what it looks like before. And this is my freshly washed, detangled hair with no product on it. So. And clip the other part back. And for this section, I'm going to use a little bit of Joseph Stream on there. This amount. Okay, then you want to twist it. Oops. And you're going to detangle your whole head and leave twist. And I'll come back for that. I finished my twist and all my detangling, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and I'm going to show you how I do my twist in the front. I'll probably just do a row or just one to give you the idea. And you're just going to continue the same process all over your head. So I'm going to comb it out with my shampoo brush. And I'm going to part it with my hands. Hold it back with a clip and twist. And then when I get close to the end, you just want to twist. And there you go. Now my twists are finished, and this is what they look like. And to finish off, I usually roller set my hair, so I spritz it with a little water, mix with Joseph Stream, and I use it in paper. Fold it over and get my favorite rollers, the orange ones, and just roll it over. So I'll show you. Now my hair's all rolled up, and this is what it looks like. Now I usually sit up under the dryer for a few minutes. And that's it. Just make sure there's no paper in your hair, and you're good to go. That's how I do my hair. This is the finished product of my hair after the roller set. A few hours later, still looks basically the same. Okay.